Soldier pay deliverable number 3. Our situation was we were to create a tool that we could use to counsel our subordinates. And this purpose of this is to determine the monetary value of a soldier's service through ETS, which is up to probably usually 30 years. So this is our final prototype. It has many different controls and directions which we could go. For instance, you could find out the grade. You'll go in, ask your soldier or subordinate, hey, what's your grade? Go in, find it. From E1 all the way to E9. So say we'll pick E3. And next we'll go to years of service, probably around 2 or 3 years of service. So we'll click 3. Nothing really changes right now. Next, we're looking at whether or not he's a dependent, with or without dependent status. And if so, we'll check box number 10, and as stated here, check equals has dependents, no check equals without dependents. And so once we check that, you could watch the bottom right hand of the screen and the monthly BAH. Those will all change. So that changes with the zip code and the city of the state that that soldier lives in. It affects everything they do, the school, the housing, whether or not they're even going to use BAH, estimated tax rate, like I said, so you could pick your state based off that too. We'll pick Alabama, for example. Or no, we'll pick New York. We'll stick with West Point. So, picking New York, that's going to change our estimated tax rate, which comes out right here, to 4 and 8%. Monthly pay, I'm going to have to change that to an E3, and that will come up right here. So this tool is very helpful so far, as we were able to tell the grade, how many years he's been in the service, whether or not he or she is dependent, the state they're in, and I'll have to change the zip code, and we'll do West Point. So watch again the bottom right hand of the screen, and all the numbers will change, including monthly BAH and all that. So you saw what happened there. The state zip changed to 205, that's New York State zip. And the school money increased, the BAH increased, and the total GI Bill went up. So as you can see, very helpful. And as I changed monthly pay, that also goes with the years of service left. So like I said, E2 or E3, so E2 will have 18 years left, usually, and E3 is 17, and it all varies a little. With a little more time, I would love to go more in depth and have probably simpler functions that could connect all these even easier than they show so far.